So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make the text pop effect like top YouTubers only directly in Premiere Pro. Now in order to do it, first of all, let's say I have created this text that is named as sample. Now just simply select that particular text, go to the start, just simply select some middle value right there. First of all, let's just simply go to right there and hit on this clock like icon on the scale. Now again, stretch it to the starting of it and set it to 0. Then again come back to the second point and just go a little bit ahead and set it to 110, that means 110, and then go some frames ahead and then set it again to 100. Now once you notice that once you do this pattern, let me quickly show you again. Here it is 0, then 100, then 110, then again 100, or you can just simply delete this one if you want to. Now if you notice that the text will pop like some the text will go give you a pop like effect. If you make it even more closer and smooth it out, you'll notice that the pop effect have been created like the top YouTubers used to do in their videos. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.